Hello dear students, I welcome you all. I hope you all are well at your home. Today we will do another topic of determinants, that is differentiate between each and every. Again, this topic is important when we talk about your gap filling, editing, omission, very important topic, because one mark question can be asked from this topic also, where you have to identify whether you have to use each or every. So let's do the topic one by one, where we have to use each. Each is used to refer to individual things in a group. When we are talking about individual things in a group, then we have to use each, or a list containing two or more things. It is always used with singular nouns, and therefore the verb is also singular. We have to use each with singular noun, and therefore the verb should be singular only. Like, each one of you has won a prize. Each student in my class was promoted. Here you can see each one, both each with singular. Each student, again we have used each with the singular word student. Each flat, again we have used each word with the singular noun, that is flat. Of this building has a balcony. Another usage of each. Each can be used as an adverb. In such sentences, each is placed after a noun or an amount. Whenever we are using each as an adverb, there we have to use each after a noun or amount. Like, the book cost 100 rupees each. In this sentence, you can see we have used the word each after the noun rupees, because it is acts like an adverb here. Reena and Namita have a purse each. Both the girls have a purse each. That's why we have used again each word, each word just after the noun purse. Each can be also used directly with of in sentences. She got present from each of her brothers. I told you each have to use with singular noun, but whenever we are using each with of, we have to use plural nouns. Like in this case, we have used each of her brothers. When we have to use of with each, we will use plural noun. Each of the children, again we have used children as plural noun, because here we have used each of instead of only each. Each of the children received a special present. Now I will tell you where we have to use every. What is the use of every? Every is used before a singular noun to refer to all the people or things in a group. Each is used with the individual things or person in a group, but every is used with all people or things in a group. This is the difference between both the words. However, remember that every is used only if a group contains more than two components. Like, Rohan goes to market every day. Here we have used every day. Every person in the world has a parent. Again we have used every with the noun person. Means it is denoting that every person has a parent. Every country has the right to handle their own problems. So we are talking about all the person or things in a group, like every country. We are talking about every country, where we have to use every. Every is used before an amount to indicate how often something is happening. How something is happening, there we have to use every also. Like, buses to Delhi leave every 2 hours. So after every 2 hours, buses to Delhi leave from there. That's why we have used every. He goes home every second weekend of the month. Here also we have used every. Adverbs like almost and nearly are also used with every. These adverbs almost and nearly also we have used with every. Like nearly every car in the garage is new. So almost we can say every car in the garage is new. He revealed almost everything to her. Every is also used for emphasis. Whenever we are giving stress on something, there also we have to use every. Like you have every right to be angry with me. Now let's conclude that both the topics. Meaning wise, what is the difference? Each stresses the individual components in a group. Whenever we are talking about individual in a group, there we have to use each. Every refers to all the components in a group. Whenever we are talking about all person in a group, all things in a group, there we have to use every. Group. Every is used with a group containing two or more people each. Sorry. Every is used with a group containing three or more people. What is the grammatical forms of both the words? Each can be used as a determiner, pronoun or adverb. We can use each as determiner, pronoun or adverb, but every is used only as a determiner. Uses with of. Each can be directly used with of. Like we have already seen the examples of each of. But every cannot be used directly with of. These are the basic differentiate between both the words. I hope so you have understand, and whenever any question will come from these topics, you will easily give the right answer. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.